Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
This is your Weather Xtreme video for Saturday, March the 24th. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters. Thanks so much for tuning in. Satellite image this morning shows we have a good deal of cloudiness over the southeastern United States. Much of that in response to the fact that we have warm air coming in from the south and southwest, and also a weak frontal boundary that is over the area, and a surface low back over in the vicinity of Kansas City. Aloft, we're dealing primarily with an upper ridge that is just to the west of the Mississippi River Valley. That's allowing our upper flow to be out of the northwest, so keep in mind any showers you see passing by today will be moving from northwest to southeast. Temperatures across the area generally in the 50s, although it is a little bit cooler in the eastern part of east central Alabama, where they're in the 40s this morning. Radar showing across northern Mississippi and northern Alabama that we have a few sprinkles and light showers, very spotty kinds of showers. Not going to get a great deal of rain out of those showers. The watch warning map features that red area in New Mexico and parts of Colorado as the high fire danger, as well as southeastern Arizona. The purple and pinks you see over the central U.S. from western Virginia all the way back into the Dakotas are winter weather advisories. QPF-wise, we're looking at a good deal of rain over the next 5 days over the lower Mississippi River Valley, thanks in part to the tapping into Pacific moisture once again. You can see that the maximum over northern Louisiana and southern Arkansas in the order of 4 3/4 inches there. We have quite a gradient across Alabama with about 1/3 of an inch in the southeast part, whereas around 2 to 2.5 inches in the northwest part. So quite a gradient there. Storm Prediction Center has some thunderstorms forecast today, but no severe weather. For day 2, we see a marginal risk from eastern Kansas back down into central Texas. For day 3, there is a slight risk from central Texas up into eastern Oklahoma. And then for day 4, we see from basically South Texas up into extreme southwestern Arkansas and northwestern Louisiana. And then for day 5, we see once again that area just slides a little bit. Day 6, which would be Thursday primarily, we don't see an outlook just yet because of the uncertainties in some of the quality of the thermodynamic profiles we'll have. There's our surface low on our, this is the 06C GFS model run. There's our surface low with the warm front that extends up along the Tennessee-Kentucky border. In the upper atmosphere, we have primarily a ridge, but we've got a little bit of a trough that's moving through that flow. That trough will move very quickly and get over into the Carolinas there as the ridge maintains itself. So without any real push from the north, we're not going to see that front really do much. It may stall out across the area. Plus, we're getting that high pressure off to the northeast of us, and that sets up a possibility of the wedge. There's a look at some of the precipitable water values, and of course a little bit dry over the Tennessee River Valley, but a little bit more moist over South Alabama. The ridge more or less moves over, kind of almost approaching the western slopes of the Appalachians, while the deep trough begins to develop over southwest United States. And that definitely develops a nice wedge pattern. The GFS picking up very nicely on that wedge pattern. You see the orientation of the isobars there across Georgia and into Alabama with that high pressure over the northern New England states. So it looks like Monday is going to be one of those dreary kind of days where we'll see fog and drizzle and cloudy skies. And we're not going to forecast much in the way of good temperatures either. They should only be in the 50s for the most part. The ridge continues its migration as that deep trough develops over the Four Corners region, and so that begins to set up a nice frontal boundary along the middle Mississippi River Valley into east Texas. The upper trough begins to come out of the Four Corners area on Wednesday. It's going to take its time, though, not moving terribly fast. And with that good tapping into the Pacific moistures. You can see the flow coming out of the Pacific across northern Mexico and into the southeastern United States and the lower Mississippi River Valley. We have a great deal of rain as a possibility on Wednesday. And, of course, along that area of south and southeast Texas is where we have severe weather. The trough moves across or comes very close to the lower Mississippi River Valley on Thursday, and that's the day that we may see something in the way of strong storms. The GFS is suggesting that the surface low will be down in southeast Mississippi. If that's true, then indeed we probably don't have much in the way of a severe weather threat up here. And the Cape values, the instability definitely showing up more over the southern part of Alabama. And along with that, we also have a much greater instability. We have much greater shear values in our storm relative helicity over that part of the area as well. So it looks like the threat right now primarily will be to our south, but we'll need to watch that. The trough finally moves by us, as you see the trough axis moving across Mississippi on Friday, and that should help to clear us out. Still, it looks like some spotty showers kind of wrapping around this whole system. And then by Saturday, a week from today, we see that system off the mid-Atlantic coast, and we're under high pressure over Louisiana. So while it will be a cool Saturday, not cold, but cool, we should be dried out. Looking out into Voodoo country, one of the screaming messages here from the GFS is the lack of systems. You see that around the 2nd of April, we have a nearly zonal flow. By the 4th of April, we have a nice strong trough moving through the Great Lakes, but that's very far north. Probably drag a front down into our area. And then again around the 6th, we see nearly zonal flow once again. That'll do it for the Weather Xtreme video for this morning. Expect to have the next one posted first thing on Sunday morning. In the meantime, check back with the blog on notes on Alabama's weather. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters. Have a great day and Godspeed.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.